Oh boy, are you guys gonna love me today because I've put together 10 simple, easy, ridiculous things that's gonna instantly make you look more attractive today. What's up guys? My name is Geof Hammond, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The way that you present yourself speaks volumes in today's world. And first things first, we're talking about conversational pieces, because these are the things that are going to set you apart from everybody else. Because let's face it, every guy is going to go to the same shopping mall and buy the same pair of jeans and the same shirt. So grabbing a nice pair of badass boots is going to set you apart, and or some really cool rings. And if you live in a cold place like I do, having a nice coat is going to make you look even better than everybody else out there. Number 2 is switching that cheap body spray for something more put together, like a cologne and or perfume that's going to take you to the next level. Because body sprays make you look tacky and smell inexpensive. Oh, and did I say they make you look tacky? So go and get a nice cologne and follow step number 2 to becoming more attractive right now. On to number 3. Studies show that women love guys to show a little bit more forearms. What? I just rolled these bad boys up because, as I was saying, women love this, especially if you've been hitting the gym. And on a side note, they also add that extra dimension to your wardrobe and or outfit at any given time. Number 4, I see this all the time, guys, wearing their dress shirts untucked, especially if it goes past your knees. They instantly think when it comes time to dress up, they throw on an oversized dress shirt that's wrinkly and doesn't fit, and they honestly think they just level up. No, guys, when it comes time to dress, tuck your dress shirt in because it cleans up those lines and makes you look sharper. So just tuck it in. Number 5, wear a watch. It's just that simple. There are a lot of brands out there that offer quality pieces that are not going to break your bank. So adding this small accessory to your wrist makes you level up and sets you apart from 50% of the guys out there. So go and grab one today. What are you waiting for? Number 6, guys, we're talking about communicating and your communication skills. In today's world, it's a vital tool to have in your arsenal. Now, whether you're traveling to one part of the world or you're talking to someone in another language, you're going to need to be able to communicate in one form or another. Whether you see that crush from across the bar or you're going for that job interview of your dreams, you need to be able to present yourself, in a way that is proper and communicating in some form or another. Because let's face it, guys, not everybody is born a perfect speaker. So being able to communicate and practice your skills is key. And there are platforms out there like Skillshare and or this one, YouTube, to be able to practice, to become a better speaker, a better friend, a better manager. Anything, it all goes in the same way. So just keep practicing. The 8th thing that you can do to instantly make yourself look better is just stand up straight. Here's what happens when you're hunched over. Your shoulders are forward, your man boobs pop out, your stomach's out, you have a hunch on your back, and it instantly adds like 5 years to your life. So to fix that, just stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, instantly make you look more attractive, make you feel more confident, and make you a go-getter. So why not? Rolling through, we're talking about the devil is in the details, guys. And what we're saying, layering is where it's at. Layering your clothes, playing with different textures, different colors, adding that flair to your outfit is going to set you apart from every other guy out there just wearing that standard white tee wherever you may go, hands down. On to my final point today, guys, in this list is grooming. Grooming is essential for every guy on a day-to-day basis. You have to integrate it into your daily routine. If you have a unibrow and or hair coming out your ears, just don't. Grab some tweezers and or something to just get rid of that. And if you have a beard and or facial hair like myself, find a grooming tool. I use one from Manscaped. Links will be in the description below. And find what works best for the shape of your face and just maintain that on a day-to-day basis. And instantly, you'll just make yourself look that much better. Guys, if you follow these 10 steps, you're on your way to instantly making yourself look more attractive than all the other guys out there. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off once again. If you haven't already, hit subscribe down below. And if you found any of these tips or things helpful for yourself today, hit that like button and leave a comment below. Thank you again, and we'll see you guys next time.